Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Hernandez. I am going to teach you how to get into Get Epic so that you can find the books that we want you to read at home. So first you go to the website. It's right up here, getepic.com. And then you can also put this in if you want to, /sign in, or you can just leave this off and just do getepic.com like I'm going to do right now, and it will automatically put the sign in there. And once you get to that point, then you're going to wind up with a screen that looks like this, and you can log in. You're going to click on the student one, and then you're going to go to the student one. If my class is already saved here, if it's not, you can enter my class code, and this is for any of your classes, and I'm doing this for Miss Dietz and Miss Harris's class. The code is the same, and that is MYT8034. That's the code. And once you do this a couple times, it will save it down here. That's why it shows it here. So I'm going to click go. And once I click go, then I'm going to come right here and I'll see that there's a whole bunch of names here, okay? So, and there's even a guest student. The program just puts that in there. So if I want to go see, well, I wonder what books, Alexander, and I'm Alexander and I want to know what books I have. I'm going to just go into Alexander here, and I'm going to go ahead and says that Miss Hernandez sent you a book, and you can go check it out. If you click on check it out, it will come to this page here, and it can read it to you, but we don't want you really to have it do that. I want you to read it yourself, and in order to turn the page, you just click, and it goes to the next page, and you click and it goes to the next page, and so forth until you are done. So this first time around, we're just going to have you read the book to yourself, okay? And there's more explore books that you can do. Once you're done, you can X out of it, and then you can look for books on your level. So once you get to the home screen, they'll have some suggestions here you can look at, some new releases, popular series, as you can see down here, top picks. Or you can come up here where it says F&P, and then you can look for your level. Okay, so whichever level books you were reading when we went on the at-home learning, that's where you might want to start. So if you were a level E through I, you could click there and you'll see some books there. If you are a level L through O, you can click here. And then you just choose the book you want to read, click on it, okay? Now, if this is a book on your level, you do not need it to read it to you. Do not use that. Read it to yourself, and then you can go ahead and use this. Now, in the beginning, we're going to go ahead and just have you read books here, but once we've had some more experience with this, we'll also maybe do some quizzes as well. So that's how you get into Get Epic. Hope that you enjoy. Before we go, though, I really want to show you one more thing, and that is if you notice there's, when you're under your account, there's a mailbox here. In the mailbox, these are the books that have been assigned to you. And I went through and I assigned everybody a book. So your job is to go through these books and read them to yourself. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teachers. We are happy to be here to help you.